I'll never forget the night I heard scratching in my walls, only to wake up and find my favorite cereal boxes chewed through. Trying to choose a mousetrap at the hardware store the next day was a nightmare. Dozens of options, confusing labels, and a lingering fear of buying something that just wouldn't work or would snap my fingers. That's why I've tested the most popular options on the market. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 mousetraps available, saving you the headache and money. But which one finally solved my infestation? 5. Victor M033. When I first brought this model home, I was intrigued by the concept behind its design. It takes the traditional wooden base of a classic mousetrap, but replaces the small metal bait pedal with a large, yellow, cheese-shaped plastic pedal. The idea here is that the expanded surface area of the plastic pedal will ensure a strike, even if a mouse simply brushes past it in the dark, without necessarily stopping to eat the bait. It definitely looks like a user-friendly upgrade on paper. Setting the trap up initially felt like a step forward in pest control technology. The plastic pedal comes pre-baited with a scent meant to attract rodents, though I still highly recommend adding a tiny dab of real peanut butter to seal the deal. I placed several of these M033 units around the edges of my kitchen baseboards, fully expecting the large yellow trigger plate to make quick work of the mice that have been darting behind my refrigerator. The wooden base itself feels solid, and the wire bar has a decent amount of tension. However, during my rigorous testing, the drawbacks of this supposedly upgraded design became glaringly obvious. The sensitivity of that large yellow pedal became an absolute double-edged sword. It is so hypersensitive that merely trying to place the set trap gently onto the kitchen floor often triggered a terrifying false snap. I had the wire bar slam down on my fingers more than once, which made the entire setup process incredibly stressful and frustrating. You practically have to hold your breath and use surgical precision just to put the trap down without it misfiring. 4. Tomcat Press N Set. Stepping away from the traditional wooden board aesthetic entirely, this trap looks like a menacing, modern piece of plastic engineering. It was specifically designed to eliminate the anxiety and fear of snapping your fingers while setting the trap. Instead of a flat board, it features a heavy-duty plastic clamshell design with interlocking teeth. When I first took it out of the package, the sleek, modern look gave me a lot of confidence that this would be a highly efficient killing machine for the garage. The main selling point, and its most heavily advertised feature, is the one-touch press to set mechanism. You literally just press the back lever down until it clicks into place and the trap is armed and ready to go. There's a small bait cup built directly into the center of the trap, allowing you to neatly dab a bit of peanut butter or attractant gel inside before setting the jaws. I placed a handful of these plastic traps along the walls of my garage and utility room, areas where I suspected heavy rodent traffic, appreciating how quickly I could deploy them without risking my hands. Unfortunately, the practical reality of using these traps brought some notable flaws to light. During my testing, I quickly realized that the plastic construction isn't nearly as foolproof or lethal as it initially seems. If you happen to have a larger or particularly resilient mouse, the plastic jaws sometimes fail to deliver a swift, clean catch. On one highly unpleasant morning, I found that a trap had been dragged halfway across the utility room floor. This horrifying experience proved that the clamping force of the plastic teeth sometimes lacks the absolute, crushing holding power of a traditional heavy-duty metal bar. 3. Motel Mouse Humane. For those who absolutely cannot stomach the idea of killing household pests, this product completely changes the dynamic of indoor rodent control. It is a live catch-and-release system that offers a compassionate, ethical alternative to snap traps and poisons. The device looks like a small, green, translucent plastic tunnel. When I unboxed it, I was immediately drawn to the high-quality construction and the thoughtful, cruelty-free approach it brings to handling a delicate problem. Testing the features of this humane trap was actually an incredibly pleasant and stress-free experience. The setup is brilliantly simple. You place a small amount of bait at the far end of the tunnel, and then prop open the spring-loaded door. When the mouse walks inside to investigate the food, their body weight shifts a fulcrum that instantly triggers the trapdoor to snap securely shut behind them. The chamber features extra air holes and plenty of room, ensuring the captured mouse doesn't suffocate or panic too severely. I set this up near my pantry, somewhat skeptical that a clever mouse might outsmart it, but I was in for a wonderful surprise. The Motel mouse Humane trap worked absolutely flawlessly. The trigger mechanism is incredibly sensitive to the weight of a small rodent, yet the entire unit is completely safe to have around curious kids and pets. There are no snapping bars, no exposed poisons, and no dangerous glues, which gave me immense peace of mind since I have a dog constantly roaming the house. The translucent green plastic was a fantastic design choice. It allowed me to easily see that I had caught my furry intruder from a distance without having to shine a flashlight into a dark, scary tube. 2. Catchmaster Super Glue Traps. When you're dealing with a severe, stubborn infestation, or you have pests beyond just a couple of mice, these traps step up to the plate in a major way. I will admit that I was initially very skeptical about using glue traps in my home. However, testing these professional-strength adhesive boards completely changed my perspective on what heavy-duty, passive indoor pest control should look like. These aren't your average, flimsy, sticky papers that you find at a discount store. The Catchmaster boards are thick, incredibly durable, and feature a proprietary adhesive formula that is specifically designed to prevent hardening or crusting over time. I laid these out in the damp, humid corners of my basement, environments where traditional mechanical traps tend to rust or suffer from swollen wood. They come ready to use right out of the box and already have a peanut butter scent mixed directly into the glue, meaning I didn't even need to risk my fingers or waste time applying additional bait. The sheer versatility of these glue boards is what makes them rank so highly on my list. While I was primarily testing them to catch mice, I found that they effectively captured a massive multitude of other unwanted basement guests. Over the course of a week, these traps silently caught large spiders, roaches, crickets, and even a rogue centipede. They essentially create an impenetrable, protective perimeter along your walls. The adhesive is incredibly aggressive. Once a mouse steps even a single paw onto the board, there is absolutely no escaping, ensuring the pest problem is stopped dead in its tracks without any mechanical failures. Disposal with the Catchmaster traps is also incredibly straightforward and highly hygienic. 1. Victor Mouse Traps M150. Sometimes, despite all the modern engineering, fancy plastics, and high-tech solutions, the classic wood-based wire snap trap is simply unbeatable. I bought a large pack of these iconic traps to test them head-to-head against all the modern competitors, and they completely blew everything else out of the water in terms of sheer reliability, speed, and uncompromising effectiveness. The design of the M150 is iconic for a very good reason. Built with sustainably sourced, Forest Stewardship Council certified wood, the trap features the traditional, small metal bait pedal and a heavy-duty, spring-loaded wire kill bar. I learned a vital pro tip during my testing. If you firmly press a tiny amount of peanut butter right into the curled part of the metal pedal, it forces the mouse to actually work for the bait. Rather than just licking a loose blob off the top and escaping, the mouse has to tug at the metal, guaranteeing that the mechanism triggers precisely when it needs to. During my extensive field tests in the dark corners of the attic and behind the kitchen appliances, the Victor M150 proved to have an unmatched reaction time. The spring tension on the wire bar is incredibly strong, delivering an instant, humane kill without the dragging or escaping issues I encountered with the plastic models. Out of all the traps I set throughout my house, this classic, century-old design had the highest success rate by far. It caught mice cleanly, quietly, and quickly, often solving the problem on the very first night of deployment. The incredible value proposition of the M150 is the final, undeniable reason it earns my absolute highest recommendation. Ultra. That's all for today, folks.